Hey y'all, so today I want to go over how to remove pins from the links in your watch so that you can make it shorter. Today I have a Hamilton Jazzmaster. That's what we're going to be working on today. And this one's a little bit different. They don't have arrows. Instead you can hit the pins out in either direction. And if you don't know what I mean, typically if you look inside the wristband, so right in here, there'll be arrows either pointing this way or that way, telling you which way to hit it. So if it's pointing down from the top, that means you hit it down. If it's pointing up, then you point it up. That's just in relation to how this watch is positioned, not, generally speaking in relative form. So, yeah, and I'm gonna get started with that in a second. And there's the pin. Just pull that right out. You can see it. And then full focus. There we go, we'll just go right here. Put that aside. Pull it right apart. And for Hamiltons, there is a small, sometimes it's in the middle, sometimes it's in the side notch. This one, we'll just take it out really fast. Should be able to just use this tool to knock it out, yep. Don't know if you can see that, here we go. It's a little tube. Sometimes it's in the center notch, sometimes it's in the middle. And in this one in particular, it's in this one, not in the three prong, I guess it's called, the three pinned link. So it wasn't in this one, it was in the other one. Sometimes it's in the middle. It really just depends on the model of Hamilton you have. There you go. So I did a couple extra steps while I was gone. And now I'm just showing you how to put a pin back in. You remember the little tube? We put the tube back in, and we put it back in, like I said, when you have the I don't even know how you would say it, two-pronged chain link. And now we're sticking the pin back in. So, gotta find its little sweet spot. So once you go back in, there we go. And then you'll find some resistance right where you put the tube back in. And that's where you want to hit it. So use the rubber side of the mallet so you don't mess up your steel or gold bracelet, whatever you got. And just keep hitting it. Let's move this over a little bit on this side. It's time to go. There we go. See? All done. Pin's in its place and not going anywhere. See how it fits. Perfect. Thanks for watching.